Laundry detergent or fabric softener again. There's nothing like the smell and feel of freshly laundered sheets and towels. But did you ever wonder just how clean they really are? When you wash laundry at home, you sort out your loads and fill your machine with nice hot water and lovely scented detergents, and sometimes even bleach. Then you walk away and let your washing machine go to work. In your mind, when the cycle is done, your laundry is sparkling clean, free of dirt, bacteria, viruses, and of course detergent. The sad news is that it isn't. Just look at the final rinse water, or better yet, do a second rinse and examine the results. You can even do a third rinse and you'll still see residue coming off your clothes and towels. The truth is that the technology we take for granted to wash our clothes doesn't really do the job. Add to that the fact that detergent, fabric softener, and bleach are expensive and toxic and have been shown to harm the environment and even cause skin irritations and allergic reactions. Why would you ever do your laundry like that again? What if you could get your laundry really clean using just cold water and save money and make things healthier in the process? Well, you can.